Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. Today we're doing some cheese and bacon potato wedges at the pit, and it's real easy to do. All right, let's put some bacon on. We'll get that started first. You know all about cooking bacon on a grill, right? All right, now we've got a mortar and pestle, and so we're going to grind some sea salt. And here we've got some coriander seed, all right? And we're going to give it a good grind. Simple enough. Now you could use your own favorite spices for this. You can come up with something, but this gives you some ideas, right? So we'll grind it up with the mortar and pestle, and we got more control. Now you can use one of those electric jobs, right, if you want, but yeah, this is kind of cool. All right, now we're going to add some cayenne pepper, and we need some paprika. All right, so we'll throw some paprika in. Again, you can come up with the combinations and tastes and flavors, right? I mean, this is all pitmaster privilege here. So, perfect. Now, of course, you want to use your handy knife to do your mixing. Now, here is a Japanese variety sweet potato, and here's the Beauregard. It's the Mississippi, Louisiana, typical what you find in the USA stores. Now, we're going to make wedges out of them. Now, if you can't find this Japanese style from an Asian market, you don't need it. But again, it looks pretty cool, right? And they're nice and red. So let's toss all these wedges in a bowl. And then we'll grab these, this is what most people recognize as a sweet potato, and that's a Beauregard, right? Come out of Louisiana, Mississippi, and we're going to make wedges out of these. Simple enough. Now, if you've never had a sweet potato before, you got to check them out. They're pretty cool. They really are. And they're sweet. All right. Now, we could have fast forwarded this, but I know you're here just to hang and watch how we put it together, get some ideas for your own cook. That's what this is about. We've been doing this for almost 18 years now. You got to check us out. We got a lot of recipes for you. Now here we're going to take some oil. We got some veggie oil in there, and that, and then we're going to take our spices and put them all over these wedges. Oh man, I am telling you, it's going to be good. Like one of these fancy ass side dishes, right? All right, enough of that. Now the bacon is getting there, right? Now if you've never had bacon off the barbecue grill, a regular pound bacon, you need to put it on the grill and cook it up. It's absolutely amazing. You gotta check that out, right? But a lot of you already know that, right? All right. Now the bacon, of course, is partially cooked, and we're going to start cooking the wedges now. Now sweet potatoes are pretty dense, and it takes a bit of time to cook them up. So we'll get them started as we're finishing off this bacon. Whoo! Oh yeah, this might be the time to get a cold one, right? Keep this going, but that's pitmaster privilege too. All right, put the cover on, get those going. Now you can see the bacon is cooked, at least to where we want it. We don't like it super crispy, but that's up to you. That's pitmaster privilege. Now we'll get the rest of these wedges on. It looks real pretty now, doesn't it? Now, if you're trying to impress somebody like your girlfriend or something, you might want to put this dish together. All right. Put the cover on. Keep cooking. And in a miracle of time, these wedges are cooked, and of course you know how to test it, right? You just use a fork and see if they're soft on the inside. Whew. Oh man. Now, next part. I think you already know where we're going with this. We're going to chop up the bacon. Like that. Ooh. Oh, yeah. You just sit and watch, right? That's all you need to do. Now, if you're one of those tiki-talker types, then you'd want a 58-second video, right? So this would have been done already and you've been somewhere else, but I don't know. Sometimes these old-style vids are the best, right? Just kick back, relax, see how it's done and all the detail. All right, now, we're going to set these up kind of fancy-ass, right? Now, if you go to a real good restaurant, what is that you most pay for your dish? It's presentation, right? Make it look real pretty. Your food just might taste better. Oh, yeah. I don't know, man. But so this is how we're going to set it up. Make it look pretty. We'll place some of those Japanese sweet potato wedges in there. Line them up. And then start adding some shredded cheese. And you keep layering them like that. Yeah, good living. Add some more shredded cheese. We're using cheddars there, right? Add some more wedges. There we go. More cheese. There's never enough cheese. And of course you could use your favorite cheese, right? You just want something that melts fairly well. Finish it off with some more bacon. Might want to go back and repeat this part. It looks that good. Now, let's finish it off on the grill. And of course, we're cooking opposite the hot coals. We already know that if you've been following us over the last 18 years. So we're using the kettle as an oven. Now, we've chopped up some green onions. And this is done. Cheese is melted. We take some of those green onions. Looks real cool, right? Alright. Now, for dipping, you want a little bit of dipping because you're going to be snacking. So take a good barbecue sauce. Right there. And this is the part where the pit master is going to eat it in front of you, and he's not going to apologize. So the next time you're looking for a great cheese, bacon, potato wedge dish at your pit, you got to check this out. Oh.